So how to use the Iceland Bonus Card in store. So to go ahead and use the Iceland Bonus Card in store, it's very simple. So first things first, you want to go ahead and download the Iceland app if you haven't already. And I'll leave a link below in the description for both Apple and Android. Then once you've downloaded the Iceland Bonus app, you'll simply want to go ahead and sign in or create an account. And once you've created your account, you should come across a home page which looks like this. So to go ahead and use your Iceland Bonus Card, it's nice and simple. You want to click My Card at the bottom right here. Then once you've done that, it brings you through to this page here, which displays your Iceland Bonus Card along with how much is in your account. So your Iceland Bonus Card is a little bit different to your typical rewards card such as Tesco Club Card and Nectar Card, and it more or less works as a gift card that gives you cash back. So for every £20 that you put into your Iceland Bonus Card, Iceland will give you £1 extra on top. So it's £1 cash back for every single £20 you put into your Iceland Bonus Card. So to go ahead and do that, you just want to click Top Up, and you can go ahead and add a balance to your Iceland Bonus Card from here, and that is how you get cash back. So for example, as we've said, it's £1 for every £20 you add. So if you want to go ahead and top up £20, you'll automatically get £21 added to your Iceland Bonus Card. But once you've got a balance in your Iceland Bonus Card, you want to come back to this page here which displays your card. So when it comes to actually using your Iceland Bonus Card, you simply do your shop like normal, and then when you're at the checkout, you'll then want to use the balance from your Iceland Bonus Card to pay for your Iceland shopping. And to do that, you'll need to scan your unique barcode at the till. And if you need any further assistance in store, then an Iceland employee should be able to assist you, just as long as you can provide them with your unique barcode. And that is how you use your Iceland Bonus Card. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.